Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Gospel Ugiagbe. On this my YouTube channel, I share a very simple way on how to make money online or how to solve a particular problem that you are going through. So on this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your Facebook ad account. So at the end of this video, you will now be able to run ad and you will not get banned by Facebook because a lot of you are running ad without ad account. So that is why your ad will get tried and you will not be able to continue running your ad. So at the end of this video, your ad will be running smoothly if you follow the step-by-step guide of what I'm going to show you on this video. I want to repeat it again. I will show you on this video on how you can create your Facebook ad account, and I will still show you how you can connect your Facebook page so that whenever you publish ad, everything will be working well for you. So let us head over to my computer. Let me show you step by step on how you can create your Facebook ad account. So guys, once you come to your Facebook account like this, you are going to land on your main Facebook account, but you need to open your Facebook page. If you don't have one, you can go and create one, or you can go and watch this video that is going to pop up right now. It's going to show you step by step how you can create your Facebook page. The link will still be in the description. So now, let me show you how you can create your Facebook ad account. So that is what I'm going to show you on this video, like what you have heard from the beginning of this video. So once you have switched to that your Facebook page that you want to use to create this your ad account, what you need to do, you need to click on this section where it said Mentor Business Suite. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page that you can see on the screen here. So once it brings you here, what you need to do is to click on this your drop down profile icon, click on that, and it's going to show you a lot of things here. So what you are seeing on the side here is what is managing your Facebook ad account. So this is what is going to manage your Facebook ad account, which is called portfolio or business portfolio. So it's managing your business ad account. I hope you get the understanding. So what you need to do now is to click on this section where it said create a business portfolio. So what you need to do is to click on that. So once you click on that button or icon, it's going to open this up. What you need to do is to enter your business name here, the name you want to use on this your Facebook business portfolio. Just put anything. Once you have put your business name here, you put your first name and last name, and you are good to go. Once you have done that, you enter your email here. So once you enter your email will not be displayed to anybody that is accessing or seeing this your ad account. So your email will not be displayed to them. So this will be invisible to them. So that is what I just want to let you know. So once you have entered all the whole information here, what you need to do is to click on the section where it said create. So once it's created, your Facebook portfolio will now be created. So that is how you can create your Facebook business portfolio. So what this is doing is that it's going to help you to understand the ad account that you are using or that you want to use. So whenever you choose it, it will tell you this ad account is from this particular portfolio. So you already know the Facebook page that you want to use to run that ad, or the Facebook page that is running that particular ad that you want to run. So I hope you get the understanding. So now that you are done with the portfolio, you have created it. So once you have created it, you still come back here, click on this icon. You'll be seeing it among all those ones here. So all these are my Facebook business portfolio that I have personally created. So once you have done this, so to create your Facebook ad account, what you need to do, you need to click on this section where is this three dot icon, or this section where it said all tools. Click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page here. What we are going to look for is what they call business settings, but you are not going to find it on this page here. So what we need to do now is to click on this section where it said business support home. So we need to click on that. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to your business support homepage here. So once it brings you here, what you need to do is to click on this drop down icon or this icon here where it said all tools. When you head over your mouse, it will say all tools, but just click on this 3 dot icon here. You can see my mouse. Click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to show you this screen here. So once you show you this screen here, you need to scroll down and click on this section where it said business settings. Click on that and it's going to bring you here. Here you are going to find all the business portfolio that you have created. So you need to select the one that you know that you want to use to create a new ad account. You can see each one of them here. Some of them have ad accounts, some of them don't have. Like those ones here, they don't have ad accounts. These ones here, they have ad accounts. But I'm going to use the one I already have an ad account so that you know how it works. So what you need to do is to click on it. When you click on it, sometimes Facebook is going to ask you for a confirmation code that they send to you just to verify that it's you that is trying to access this your ad account. So I will click on that. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to where you are going to set up your ad account or create your ad account. So once it brings you here, normally this your Facebook account name is going to be showing automatically because this is what is managing this your Facebook ad account. So this is your main Facebook account is what is managing this your ad account. If you want to add people, you can click here to invite people that you want to be managing this your ad account. If you don't want to invite anybody, you can just leave everything blank just like the way it is. You can enter their name here, you search, and you can add them here. You can give them access of the rights you want to give to them. You can see on this one, I am the one managing everything, full control, everything. So this is not where you are going to really pay attention to. So now, this is how you can create your ad account. You need to come down here. You will see the section where it said account. Below account, you will see pages. You will see add account. It's the section where it said add account that you need to click on. Click on add account here. So once you click on add account here, what you need to do is to click on this drop down add icon, this section here. You can click on add icon. So once you click on it, it's going to pop this up and you are going to see create a new ad account and you are going to see add an existing ad account. You can see the section where it says request access to an ad account in an other business portfolio. So that is if you want to do that. But what you want to do on this video is to create your own ad account. You need to click on this section where it says create a new ad account. I'll click on that and it's going to pop this up here. So what you need to do is to enter your ad account name. So let us say, for example, I put in like God's Power Business, you know, just put something like this, God's Power Business. And here you are going to come and select the zone of the country where you are living. I'm going to search, for example, for me, I will just put like a European country, which in Paris, I put that. And the currency of what you want to be using to pay when you are running ad. You need to click on it here and you need to select it. For me, I'm going to select euros because I live in Europe. So what I need to do now is to go and look for euro, which is this one here. And as you can see, I've selected in euro. And I will click on next. So when I click on next here, you are going to see that if you want to if you want to create a client account or you want to create your own business account, as you can see here, it say this ad account will be used for my business, another business or client. So it just depends on you. You just need to choose it here and you click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to bring you up here. So what you need to do is to click on this section where it said agree to mental terms of service. You click on that, and once you click on create, your ad account will be created. So once you click create, your ad account will be created automatically. And what they are going to be asking you once you have created your ad account, it will be added here. On what you can see on it will be added here like this. You'll be seeing it like what you are seeing on the screen here. So what you need to do, you'll be seeing a section that is telling you to add a payment method, what you want to be using, or the payment method that you want to be using to pay whenever you are running ad. So you add a payment method. You'll be seeing it will be popping up at the top here, and you are going to click on it and add your payment method. So once you have entered your payment method, everything will be fine, just like what you are seeing on the screen here. If you are seeing an error, you can just try to add your payment method and verify it, and everything will be working fine. So I will say now that you have successfully created your ad account. So the next thing you need to do is to add your Facebook page. Whenever you are running ad, you want to be using that particular Facebook page, you can do that too. So what you can do here is to click on the section where it said pages, and it's going to open up here. So what you need to do is to come here and add your Facebook page. If you are not seeing your Facebook page here, what normally it should be added automatically, but if it's not added, what you just need to do is to click on the section where it said add, and you can add your existing Facebook page. Once you click on add here, select it and follow the procedure, enter a URL and confirm it, and you will go back to your Facebook account here, and you need to click on Business Suite again. And when you click on Business Suite, it's going to bring you up here because you have sent the request from this your Facebook ad account page. Is going to be popping up. Sorry, it's going to be popping up here. And what you just need to do is to come here, accept that you want to be using this your Facebook page, so that when you are running ad, is this your Facebook page that is going to be displaying to the people that is seeing that your ad that you are running. So that is how you can add your Facebook page to this your ad account. Let us say, for example, and you are running the ad, and in the ad is on Instagram. You want to like make sure that the ad tool is still displaying on Instagram. You can just click on the section where it said Instagram account, and here you still be able to add your existing Instagram account. Click on it, follow the same process, and your Instagram account will be added here. So that is how you can add your Instagram to your Facebook ad account, so that whenever you are running ad, that your ad will be displayed to that particular page that you have selected on the ad account section. And when you are running the ad, you have the option to choose another Facebook page and another Instagram account that you want to use. So you just need to come back here, follow the same method, and that your ad account will carry that Facebook page and that Instagram account that you want to be displaying that your ad on the Facebook and Instagram. So that is how you can create your Facebook ad account on this video. I hope that this video is helpful. If it's not helpful, let me know that in the comment section. And if this video is helpful, even in just a little way, I want you to leave me a like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to create your Facebook page, you can watch this video that is going to pop up right now. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video, a way on how you can make money online. I will see you soon, guys. Peace.